Hello everyone and welcome to CWL Builds. I'm Caleb and today I'm going to be making a really easy, really simple wooden wand plus a leather holster for it. So I'll be starting off with this 15-inch long piece of 1-inch wooden dowel that I got from Home Depot. I'll also be using this resin tooth that I have from a previous project, but you can use anything like a crystal or another piece of wood. It's up to you. And as you can see here, I'm using my belt sander to sand my wand into a more desirable shape. Now I'm going for a super simple look, just a tapered end, but you can make yours as complicated or as simple as you want. And if you don't have a belt sander, this can all be done with a Dremel tool or hand sanding if you have the patience. I want the tooth to be embedded inside the handle, so I'll be using this burr and cutting into the handle and making a recess for the tooth to sit into. So now after that's glued in, the wand is basically done. Like I said, it's a super simple design, and so this didn't take me very long. But now I can move on to working on the holster. I'm going to be using leather for this, but if you don't have access to leather like I do, you can also use cloth or even EVA foam if you'd like. So I'm using two different types of leather, this kind of thicker stuff and thinner stuff. And as I'll mention, if you can't already tell, I don't know a whole lot about leatherworking. I'm sort of just going off of what I feel looks good. So I may be doing things out of order, and I'm sorry for you leatherworkers out there who are probably cringing at what I'm doing right now. I'm going to be using a leather dye to darken this a bit and to even out the tones. And I use a paintbrush for it, which makes it kind of blotchy in the end, which I don't really mind because I wanted mine to look really old and weathered. But if you want to get rid of those blotches, you can use something a little more absorbent like a paper towel or some type of cotton swab and apply it a little more evenly. I'll also be using this conditioner just to make everything a little nicer and protect the leather. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, consider dropping a like, consider subscribing. Maybe you can check out other videos on my channel. I do have some other ones in the theme of magic. I have some ones about making a magic staff as well as making a wizard's hat if you're interested in those. Once again, thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.